where people, young kids couldn't go to school. Women cannot have the medical attention that they deserve. And goods cannot move inside of the country. We did this appeal, and you step up, and you said, we want to help Haiti. We want to exercise a solidarity with you. Thank you, President. We appreciate it. Since months, we are working together to fine-tune this mission, and finally, we sign. It's the last step before the deployment. We hope that the deployment will occur very soon, because the people, they cannot anymore suffer. What this mission is bringing is hope for the future. Hope for the future for the humankind. Hope for the future for the people that cannot foresee tomorrow. I'm not saying the year after, but they cannot see how they will live the next day. How they will come back home. They don't have insurance if they leave their home that they will be back. President, thank you, and we want to thank also all those who are involved in this mission under your leadership. What we could promise you is that we are going to do our best for the success of this mission. It's not an usual mission. According to what I know, it's the first time that a kind of mission is taking place. We'll do all our effort for the Kenyan to look as our brother, the best solidaire people.
Yes.
Thank you once again, and let us work the hard work